the door to my room. On this side it's the laundry room, so we're gonna go ahead and open the door. And this is how my room looks like from the entrance. So you walk in and you see my bed, a little cabinet, my husband's closet, a little cabinet, our TV, and then my vanity, and then our bed. So let's start from this way. So from here it is my husband's closet, which has our mirror. Then after that it's like a little stand and then after that it's my bed, my comfy bed. And then on this side I do have our TV up on the wall, and then we have this cabinet here, which is just, I got it so our pictures and our antenna could stand there. And then it's just the cabinet, which has my makeup stuff for class, my eyeshadow palettes, and just, let me show you guys, just has my eyeshadows. It's like so nasty. There's that. And then I have my makeup kit that I take when I go to my makeup school. Let me just show you guys that really fast. So it's just my makeup kit for on the go when I go to class. So there's that. So I just store it here since I have nowhere else to put it. I don't like to leave my makeup in the car because or else it'll get nasty. So here we have a Mr. and Mrs. sign we used in our wedding. So we have it here as our decoration. We have a picture of me and my son when he was a baby and my princess when she was a baby, our antenna, and then we have a family picture here of just my husband, my son, my daughter, and me. So after that it's our antenna, and then top is our TV, which is a big TV. And then on this side I have this that I use as my backdrop. I could raise it or put it low. And then on this side I do have my vanity. So on this side I just have my makeup brushes here. I have a frame with me and my husband. And then I have a Jalisco hat. And then I have a saying which says, good friends are like stars, you don't always see them, but you know they are always there. And on back of that I do have a bead head, so I just have that here. And then in the bottom I just have a candle, and then a Kate Spade purse, little makeup bag there. And then I have a box that my sister gave it to me as a present with stuff in there. So here I have my makeup brushes, some of my makeup brushes. Here I have a bag where I take to class when I go to class. And then I have this one that my comadre gave me that says wake up and makeup. Then on my vanity I have a picture of my mom and me when I was a child, a little girl. Have that here next to my mirror. Then I have my impressions mirror, and there's me. And then on this side I do have like some beauty blenders that I use. And then here is my makeup brushes I take to school. Then it's my chair, and then here is just a little compartment that I have like some headbands, then like some loose glitter, just tweezers, clean brushes, a mirror, and then like some disposable beauty blenders, the little things. And then on this side I have the IKEA cabinet. Which is the first one is just a mess like always. The second one, it's like pure eyeshadow palettes. I don't know what is this doing here. So I have like the NYX, the Naked palette, what else, Claire's, MAC, Hello Kitty collection, NYX. It's just my eyeshadow palettes. And then these, it's a mess too, which is just pretty much just face stuff supposedly, but it's a mess right now. I have to clean it. Which a lip primer, Becca Base Perfections, and then I have Clinique. I just bought this one yesterday, the e.l.f. foundation, and just more junk. Next, this one is bad. This is my lip sticks, but it's really bad. It's just a mess. I have to clean it to show you guys good. And here are just my lashes. I put all of them in this lash book that I got, and then I just had these from back then, and then just a tripod for my camera, some eyelash things, the lash glue. So in this cabinet I have pure eyeshadow palettes as well. I have my daughter's as well when she likes to play with her makeup. And then I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. And then I have the one I got in makeup school. Then I have the contour kit, e.l.f., Sephora, Amora's glitter palette, and then my daughter's. So just small stuff. So yeah. Okay. So the next one is just like my planners. I have this for my makeup kit, so when I wash beauty blenders, when I buy new ones, I'll go ahead and put them in there. I have pens to make my planner decorated, nice, colorful. Then these are my business cards. So I ordered some business cards. This is the front, JL for my initials, Jacqueline Lopez, a butterfly for my guardian angel, which is my mom. And then in the back, it says my name, makeup artist, my phone number, and then it has my email and my Instagram name. So yeah, I have all of those there. And then this one, it's such a mess too. It's just a mirror, some goodies from Ultra that I had, and nail polishes. And then the last one is just hair stuff, which is my straightener, my blow dryer, my curling iron, my wand. And then on this side I have a little chair for like when I do makeup. They could just sit there. I'm barely getting the chair for the makeup stuff. So on this wall I wanted to put the vanity mirror, the whole body mirror. So I was thinking of that there. So yeah guys, that is my room. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you my closet, just that closet is my husband. Since it's small, I let him keep this closet, so my closet is actually in the living room. So let's go ahead and move to the living room. So this is my closet. It's in my living room and dining room. So when you open it, you see this door, just like that. So let me go ahead and turn on the light. Up there I have purses, and then shoes, and then here I have my pants hanging, and then here I have a little Steve Madden, the ones that go on your waist. I have hats, I have my sweaters, my coats, my jerseys, and then right here I have like scarves, and then down here, so down here I have my heels that you can't really see. I have my shoes, my heels, and then here I have my laptop. These boxes are for these shoes that I have down there. I have jewelry stand there of my bracelets. Then I have my mini camera here. I have this mug that I got when I graduated. Then this is the little bag for my name necklace that I have here. I think you could see it. Let's let it focus. Then this is just jewelry. Then this is like my charger, and then I have wrapping paper, and then these drawers is just like my lingerie, my shirts, and then my sweats. And then on this side I have the purse of the day, my robe, and then a hat that I can't hang because it's like this. And then up there is just my purses, my shoes. So this is what my closet looks like.